Hello, I'm Martin and I'm a content creator and educator here in Austria for the last 12 years or so. I think right now it's even more, and I really enjoy to share my knowledge with tutorial videos. I have recorded a lot of courses for LinkedIn Learning. I have my own courses on my website in German and in English right now, and I have my own YouTube channel. And as mentioned before, I really enjoy the process of sharing my knowledge. And this knowledge is really crucial if you want to share your knowledge with other people and free a lot of your time. How is this possible? The fact is, if you do a one-by-one training, all the people which are inside the training have to be in the same level and have to follow you step by step. If someone gets lost, they will most certainly not catch up, or if they catch up, they will miss some parts in between of the training. So if you do the recording of the knowledge or of the content you want to provide to others, then the people can watch in their own pace. That's the cool part. They can watch over and over again if they need to, and they can watch and learn wherever and whenever they want to learn. So this whole recording of tutorials is really nice because you can free your time and you can provide the knowledge to the others. They can learn where they are learning the best. How can you do this? Just go over to martindörsch.com. That's the website where you can find the courses to help you create knowledge for others and free a lot of time for yourself. Because you don't have to talk to them one by one, over and over again. You just can send them over to your training content, to your recorded training content. And on top of this, you can go in and build additional knowledge if you want to with a one-by-one training. But the foundation is inside the tutorial videos, and from this foundation you can build and bring your company and all your employees to the next level. I would really love to have you on board. I would really love to see you freeing your time with your knowledge and sharing your knowledge with others with my knowledge provided in this course.